In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Gmail with Salesforce. This integration allows you to streamline your email communication directly with Salesforce, making it easier to track and manage interactions with your clients and leads. Let's dive into the process, starting from your Salesforce homepage. First, ensure you're logged into your Salesforce account. From there, you'll want to navigate to the Salesforce homepage. It's your starting point for integrating with Gmail, so once you're on the homepage, glance over to the top right corner. Here you'll see the Quick Settings menu, which is represented by a gear icon. Clicking this opens up a host of options to customize your Salesforce experience. Next, you'll want to find the Advanced Setup menu. Again, this will be in the Quick Settings menu you just accessed. Click on it and you'll be redirected to a more detailed settings page where you can manage various integrations and system configurations. Now, we need to specify what we're looking to integrate. In the search bar that appears on the left, type in Gmail integration and sync. This succinctly describes the connection we want to establish between your Gmail account and Salesforce. Clicking enter will bring up relevant options, making the next steps straightforward and easy to follow. Among the search results, you'll see Gmail integration and sync. Click on that selection, and you'll be directed to the settings you need to adjust. If you're wondering what this integration does, it essentially allows you to connect your Gmail account so that emails can be directly accessed and managed within Salesforce. This is a powerful way to ensure that your correspondence is both efficient and thoroughly documented. The next crucial step is enabling the Gmail integration. You'll see an Enable button on this page, signifying that you need to activate this feature for it to take effect. Clicking this button will initiate the process, but don't worry, there's more guidance to come. After enabling the integration within Salesforce, the next task involves making sure the setup is complete on the Gmail side too. Head over to the Google Chrome Web Store, where you'll search for Salesforce in the extension section. Once you find the appropriate Salesforce extension, click Add Extension. This step installs the necessary tools for your Gmail and Salesforce to work in harmony. As the extension installs, you only need to wait a few moments. This short installation process is the final hurdle in fully integrating Gmail with Salesforce. Once complete, you'll be all set up, ready to enjoy an enhanced way to manage emails and interactions right from your Salesforce interface. Congratulations! You've successfully integrated Gmail with Salesforce. Not only will this make your workflow smoother, but it will also allow you to keep all your critical communications in one place, ensuring you never miss a beat when contacting your clients or peers.